Hi everybody, my name's Bernie. It's been a while since I posted stuff about machinery, but anyway, I have this tractor here. I think this is a late 80s John Deere 180. Now, it was a great machine until one of my customers, he parked this for a few years when he bought a new one, but otherwise it ran good. And I put the battery on the charger, see if it'll work. Nothing worked. Then I dropped the starter and I had to clean out the starter because the solenoid and the starter were seized up. It was covered, which I don't know how, when you cover things they get that bad. But anyway, I cleaned that out so the starter and the solenoid are functional. I'm not getting power to this little dinky purple with the white line wire. So when you go to crank the engine over the final position, nothing happens. But as you can see, the other lights come on and everything's in the lock position, parking brake, so I don't need to be on it to start it. I know I don't, because I've did the service on this machine for 12 years about. So any input be much appreciated. I did clean the terminals on the battery to the ground and then to the starter, and I pulled apart some plugs. But I'm concerned if it's that thing right back there, that ignition box. But if any of you guys have any input on how to fix this, that'd be great, because I've been kind of stuck for the last few days on it. So drop some comments or message me, please. That'd be great.